Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a rounded corner box in Photoshop. Let's begin. Step by step, right click on your mouse, rounded rectangle tool, fill color, red, stroke, radius 20 pixels or 30 pixels. Press enter. Draw in a box. With fill, without stroke or with stroke. Increase the stroke size. Without fill, with fill. Press Ctrl T, hold Shift, resize, and do not hold Shift, resize. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.